So today I'm here with my son, and we're going to teach you 10 things to do to be safe when using a pressure washer. We came up with this really cool acronym, Pee-wee tops feet. P, never point a pressure washer at someone. W, don't get electrical cords wet. T, don't let the pressure washer tip over. If it tips over, that could be bad for the motor and stuff in the pressure washer. O, make sure there's not a lot of other people around you or other people's belongings. You don't want to spray the pressure washer onto the concrete and have it shoot up and hit someone's car. That'd be a bad thing. P, don't play with a pressure washer. People could get really hurt. S, safety switch. So on pressure washers, on their handles, there's this little safety switch you can put down, and that makes it so you can't squeeze the trigger. So if you're not using the pressure washer and the motor's on, you can put on that safety switch. That'll make it a lot safer. F, footwear, closed-toed shoes. The thicker, the better. E, ear protection. E, eye protection. It's a really good idea to wear goggles because when you're pressure washing things, it shoots stuff back at you. I was pressure washing a propane tank and it was shooting paint chips at my face. And so you don't want to get a paint chip in your eye. That wouldn't feel good.
No.
Nope, sure wouldn't. T, don't touch the pressure washer water stream. I got my hands all dirty the other day and I was thinking, man, I just want to rinse it off really quick. You know, just barely squeeze the trigger on the pressure washer and just rinse off my fingers. I'm glad I did not do that because I might be looking like this today if I had. We're going to let my son go outside with the pressure washer and spray off an old cistern that's covered in dirt and moss and gunk and see how he does. Hold with one hand. Hold, you put this hand right here to hold. There you go. How did you like it?
I liked it a lot.
What was the hardest part about using the pressure washer?
The hardest part was my fingers got really achy after using the pressure washer.
What do you think was the most dangerous part of a pressure washer?
Well, the most dangerous part is never ever touch the pressure water.
Great. Pressure washer water. That's like a mouthful. Great. Do you have any advice to help people be safe using their pressure washer?
Everybody be safe using pressure washers and subscribe. Thanks for watching and hope you watch some more videos.